Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so XCAD Network. Now, you know how much of a gigantic fan I am of Zilliqa and its entire ecosystem. And you cannot be a fan and an enthusiast of the Zilliqa blockchain network without getting super excited about XCAD Network. I mean, what a ecosystem that they're building out for content creators all over the world. And today, I'm going to run you through some of the key things here which are really, really important to unpack when it comes to the XCAD network. So, the XCAD network is a tokenization platform for creators, which means that they facilitate a YouTuber having their own cryptocurrency creator token, allowing them to reward viewers for engaging with their content directly on YouTube. And there is a specific plugin which we'll go over today and we'll talk about it. So in a nutshell, XCAD Network is a tokenization and NFT platform for content creators. If you had to break it down into a small bite size, that's what it is. Now there's the XCAD plugin, the influencer market cap, the XCAD Deck, and the NFT marketplace. Now all of these things are really, really important when it comes to the ecosystem that is being made. So XCAD will allow creators to issue their own tokens while rewarding their audience directly. And users can use these fan tokens to govern decisions around the creator's content, purchase services, merchandise, and so forward. There are some huge backing behind XCAD and some major YouTubers behind this ecosystem. It really, really is an exciting thing, and probably one of the big projects to come out of 2021. And it's on the Zilliqa network, which is, of course, a huge upside for me. You know, like as a huge Zilliqa blockchain fan. Now, the hashtag Watch to Earn Revolution. This particular plugin that is arriving, it's so important, right, for the mass adoption and for what the big future that is going to be of XCAD. Now, with the XCAD NFT Moments Marketplace coming in this quarter, loot box pack type setup, users use creator tokens which are burnt on the XCAD tokens purchase, and then they'll be able to loot boxes pack like on FIFA. So it's similar to that. Now, with the loot boxes, they contain video moments of creators' careers. So super rare gold moment. So KSI beating Logan Paul in a boxing match. Slightly less, like KSI first video clip. And, KSI reaching 1 million subs. The main focus of the plugin and the fan tokens, but the marketplace is going to be, the NFT marketplace is going to be really, really big as well. Now, the plugin itself on the Google Chrome extension is coming. And that is going to be really, really big. Now, how the plugin is going to work. This is really important to unpack. Content creators will tell their viewers to download the XCAD plugin, promoting XCAD to millions and millions of people. Retail capital, which is untouched. Like it will be like never seen before in the crypto space, because we're talking about millions and millions of people being told to do exactly the same thing by their favorite content creators. And that there is a really, really important thing. Once the plugin is downloaded, they'll be able to sign up, make an account, which will then create for them a wallet. And this is really, really important. Now, every time they watch their favorite creator, 80% or more of the video, which will then help the creator grow as a YouTuber main algorithm. And then it will be the person itself who has the wallet downloaded will be rewarded in the creditor's native token. So you, as the Serpent follower, watch 80% and then you get rewarded in the actual, for example, Serpent token or whatever the token ends up being called. Now, the native creator token can be used to vote on decisions around the content creator's content, used to purchase services, or staked with XCAD to earn bigger rewards while consuming content. This is massive. I don't know how you can all get excited about this, right? This is huge. Creator tokens can only be traded against XCAD within the plugin or XCAD Deck. and that is the watch to earn. So really, really important to unpack this, because as we move forward into the fourth quarter of 2021, into 2022, and all the things that are going to be coming up, it's really, really important to unpack this and get a really, really good understanding. Now, there is a really good deck around XCAD that really goes over into a lot of statements around the problems that, you know, the YouTube algorithm has, how content creators, you know, all of this stuff, right? 16 pages. And I absolutely highly, highly, highly encourage you to take a look at this and unpack this, because this is massive. Absolutely massive. Now, the flagship DApp on Zilliqa have invested and are building the tech behind the project. So Zilliqa is right in the thick of this, heavily invested. Mr. Beast and KSI invested into XCAD Network as well. It is backed by many, many, many other massive YouTubers all over the world, like Ali A, W2S, Mr. Beast, and the list goes on and on, right? It is huge. It is a deflationary token. So crazy scale, like scale that we have not seen before. Huge scale. And not to mention that, you know, with, you know, like let's say, for example, with KSR doing a video, 10 million views, and people just have to download a plugin to get rewarded. Even if 1 or 5% download, that's an incredible, amazing user growth. That's what we're talking about here, right? The viral explosion of XCAD potential is unbelievable. Now, explosive roadmap over you know, 2 to 5 creators announced each week at the moment. So very, very aggressive approach. And issuing their own fan tokens and retail market targets is going to be massive as all these creators get on board. Now, the influencer market cap launching this month, like Coin Market Cap, but just for creator fan tokens. So the influencer market cap will be a place where you can actually see how the influencers are stacking against each other, which is huge. Now, the creator tokens announced so far, if you go on the Twitter page, you'll be able to see everyone that has been announced so far. And there is a huge list, but I always encourage you to keep up to date with the social media accounts and, you know, places like Twitter and all that. Very, 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 very important. So there are also lots of other rumors flowing around at the moment within this particular network of XCAD. There is a rumor that another exchange listing will be happening in Q4. The creator economics to be released soon, which hasn't yet, and rumored that that's going to take a ton of supply off the market forever, which is in favor of everybody, because, you know, it raises the price up as that continue to go. Now, how this will work is that people invest in creator liquidity offerings using XCAD, and this XCAD is then taken and locked in an LP pool forever. And the investors get a percentage of the tokens in proportion to how much they put in the locked liquidity pool. This is better than burning tokens, as the tokens are being used within the ecosystem. And it's not public, right? It's not public, you know, the way that this is all going to work. Now, the fiat gateway partnership, you know, towards retail, that's something that is also going to be coming up as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. And also, I mean, is Logan Paul going to get involved, right? I mean, it's only a matter of time before one by one, everyone starts to get involved. But overall, like, what an incredible project. What an incredible job that they've done so far. 69.4 thousand followers since February 2019. It is the one to watch as the mass adoption of this kicks in. And not to mention that once all the creators get on board, get the plugin, get their fans to jump on it, it is going to be phenomenal, right? And the influencer market cap, that is so cool. Like, I can't wait, you know, to see how this evolves, how it keeps growing, and just overall, right? How it's going to be absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. And I cannot wait to see how this all unpacks and evolves over the coming months. But I don't know about you, but I am super excited about this. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.